Kenny with Things to Ride. Hope that you're having an amazing day. I am coming to you today to do a review of one of my favorite toys in my garage, and it's called the Segway Ninebot S-Plus. Segway Ninebot S-Plus. Say that 5 times fast. Segway Ninebot S-Plus, Segway Ninebot, okay. The reason why I love this thing is it's a mini version of Segway PT. It's got a ton of great features. I love to ride it around my neighborhood. This thing retails for $849. What's really cool about it is it goes a max of 12 miles per hour. And it can go up to 20 miles. It's got 11-inch air-filled tires down here. And it's got some really cool lights on the side. See, when you move it, it makes the lights go. I do actually have an aftermarket handlebar right here. And so that attaches in a really nice way to the handlebar, so it's more like a Segway PT. What's neat about this Segway is that you really just, you steer it with your knees. But for folks that haven't ridden Segways before, they probably would prefer using the handlebar on there. It gives you a little bit more sense of comfort and gives you something to hold on to. So it's a ton of fun to ride, and I really enjoy it quite a bit. As opposed to a Segway PT costs $6,500. This thing only costs $849. I'm gonna do a little ride here and just kind of explain to you how it works. There's a power button that's in the front right here. And after you receive it, you're gonna want to connect it to the app. The app is cool because it has the battery strength on it. It also has the miles per hour that you're going. So sync it with the app. It really is necessary, if you do have it, to sync it with the Ninebot Segway app. The way that this thing works is that you lean forward to go forward, you lean back to stop, and you turn it with your knees. I'm gonna go ahead and step on it real quick to see. Just step right up, 1, 2. And I'm on it. The more relaxed you are on this thing, the easier it is to ride. I'm just completely relaxed on the foot pads. I'm just gonna take you down the little hill of my driveway right here. And you can see the little bump where the driveway meets the road. And it goes over all the different stuff. So it's really, really cool. And this is just going up the hill. We're gonna go to the top speed. When you reach the top speed, it beeps at you, just like that. And so it's just telling you to slow down. You've reached 12 miles per hour. You're gnarly, you're amazing, and you need to just slow down a little bit. I'm just gonna do like a little turn for you. See how it goes when I turn with my knee. It's just a very gentle turn. These things are very sensitive, just like the Segway PT. A little bit goes a long way. So you lean forward to go forward, you lean back to stop, bam, that's it. It holds you up. And this is just like going down the street in my neighborhood. And then you'll see I'm just gonna turn with my knee, and that's gonna make it flip around. You can kind of see me in my shadow. Not too bad, right? So this is a ton of fun. It gives you a lot of range in your neighborhood. One thing that I did notice that over time, your feet do kind of hurt a little bit. So you do want to like step off of it and like, you know, get the blood flowing in your feet. Whenever I'm riding it for an extended period of time, like whenever I'm at like a stoplight or something like that, I'm always gonna get off of it and just like make sure that it's in a level position. Then, you know, go ahead and move those feet. It's important to keep your blood flowing no matter what activity that you're doing. If the blood is not flowing, you're probably gonna have an issue. Anyways, this is just a brief kind of overview of the Segway Ninebot S-Plus. They have the Mini Pro, and so it gets a little confusing with all the different names, but it is a lot of fun to ride, and I definitely enjoy it. And if you're looking to get a Segway to use at home, this really is a cool little toy. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Please go ahead and add a comment or whatever. I'm here to help you. I absolutely love this thing, and I'm sure that you will too. That's it for now. Kenneth Littman signing off. Aloha, peace, love, and happiness. See you later. Bye-bye.